So once Falcon sent us these tires, Steve and I realized he may not be able to stop. He needed more brake. And in a pinch, I made the executive decision to pull my beloved brakes off of my Model 3 Performance and put them on his car. And before you are those brakes. So what we've got here is my AP Racing 9660 caliper. I've got Cobalt XR2 pads. And then we've also got these amazingly designed and engineered Mountain Pass Performance rear brake upgrade for the Performance Model 3. It's pretty neat. What they've done here is they have actually taken the outer clam from the factory caliper and they've lengthened this part of the clam so that you can fit a wider rotor than what comes factory on the Model 3. So I've gone ahead, oh, and check this out. Mountain Pass actually designed clips. They designed clips right here to hold this pad in place so it doesn't rattle, because an aftermarket pad may not have the clips that the factory pad has. So we've got wider rotors for the rear, same diameter. We've got these clams to make use of those. He's got AP Racing 9660 calipers, XR2 Cobalt pads, his AP rotors here, all going on his Model 3 with these 1910.5 forged Aspira AF10s, Falcon 305 3019s, and that is how he's starting the first event of his season.